Let's learn how to do a Denis token base. Pretty easy, really. First thing you do is use missiles. See, right there is where you want to shoot your first missile. And that will get all three. That will get all three of them. Then we'll get him with another one. Then we'll send in aces and the base is flat. Okay, they're all shocked. Send in aces. Okay, that's how easy it is. Now, put them on Ruby, and in the four corners, you're going to have enemies start to spawn. Put it on Ruby and do nothing. Just sit and wait. Your aces will go around to each corner. They'll clear it out, clear it out, clear it out. After they're all done, they'll go around. They'll go around again. They'll kill these guys down here. After they do that, we're going to retreat a couple of them, send in Nick, and we're done. Right now, we just sit and watch them fly. That's all there is to it. It's literally that simple. So if you got something else that you want to do while these guys are doing this, when we did Rick, we could have literally just let it finish on its own. This one you have to get involved again because Denis is going to come out. And when Denis comes out, you have to kill him. The aces will not kill him. They can't catch up to him. So you need to bring something in. What I do is I just bring in Nick. Nick comes in, cleans him out, and you're done. They're over here killing. They're going to kill down here. Let me show you. See, there's a couple troops down here. A couple troops down here. Oh, they came back. So you got some more. You got to go around one more time. How much time is there? Yeah, got to go around again. When the troops stop coming in, okay, up here and clear these guys out. Again, just let them go. Don't mess with them. Okay, when the excavators show up, that's the last time. Excavators down here. Oh, excavators. Well, we'll see what happens. Yep, excavators. So once you clean out these excavators, no more will show up. At least that's what I think. Okay, Denis has showed up. Once he's showed up, they're not going to spawn anymore. After... Okay, they want to go after Denis. This is unusual. This doesn't usually happen. Get over here. Clear these guys out. Of course, when you make a video, it's going to be unusual. Clear out these guys up here. But it doesn't matter. It's very simple. It's going to take a little longer than normal. Normally it doesn't take this long. That's all right. Give us something to do. All right, now what we will do, we'll put them on, there you go. Now take a few of them out. And we'll bring in Nick. Now we just stay out of the reach of the Denis. Just stay out of the reach. He'll do a little bit of damage. Usually does about 2 minutes worth of damage. That's it. And you get a Denis token. Let's take them home and see how much damage they did. There usually isn't very much. So you have seen how easy it is. Go do it. And you know who I'm talking to. Don't be lazy. Because I think I've used Denis exactly never. But once he comes, okay, 2 minutes worth of repair. That's it.